Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to find out an Instagram account and search for someone's Instagram account by their mobile number or phone number. It is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Instagram account. After that, click on the profile icon, then click on 3. Click on the account center, then click on your information and blogs. Then go down. You will find here download contacts. Click on it, then click on your account on Instagram. After that, you will find here I wanted contacts. What does this mean? This means that your contacts will be synchronized and stored securely to know and communicate with the people you know on Instagram. Therefore, the number whose Instagram account you want to search for, you have to register it in your contacts list so that his Instagram account can be found, invited, followed, or known according to what you want. Now, after activating this feature, you do go back and then go down to this interface. Then go down to the bottom, you will find follow friends and invite them, then click on it, then click on follow contacts, then click on allow access or give it permissions to work, then click again on follow contacts, and as you can see here you will find all the contacts you have in your contacts list and you will find their Instagram accounts for it reference only. You will also find accounts other than your accounts here, other than your contacts accounts here, but that's okay. You search for the person you want to know my Instagram account via his number, and here you have known him. This was today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited from it in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.